today we're going to be talking about done-for-you systems. So I'm not one for making dramatic statements, but here is a dramatic statement. The technical stuff will kill your business. It'll probably kill you as well, but the technical stuff will kill your business. I've just written something down on my computer because I couldn't remember it all off the top of my head. But there are a number of things which you've got to do if you're going to build an online business from scratch. This is what you've got to do. Let me read this. So number one, create a product, build a website, build lead and sales pages, connect everything to your email list. You've got to build a sales funnel, create a follow-up series, start up a merchant account. So you've got to have a bank account. Then you've got to structure your company in the right way. You've got to sell to your customers. You've got customer services, then you've got all your accounts and tax and that sort of thing. Here's the thing. This is why most businesses fail. Remember I spoke about the shops, traditional businesses and online businesses. This is why most people fail, because they're doing all that nonsense by themselves. They're being business owner, they're being accountant, they're being everything. And this is why most businesses fail, because they're working in the business, not on the business, not developing the business, and not working on those really productive tasks. They're doing everything. So remember, I said before, you've got a 5% group of people, and these 5% group of people have systems in place. The 5% who are financially independent, the 5% who are wealthy, who get, who develop their income from investments and systems. It's all about having done-for-you systems in place so you can get involved, get started, and develop your business, not having to do all the mechanical stuff by yourself. So that is the secret for today, about leveraging done-for-you systems that are proven to work. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to be talking about the people who are actually succeeding online. Who are these people succeeding online? And I tell you what, you'll be quite surprised at what I'm going to tell you. Okay, so look forward to that. Speak soon. Bye for now.